Ukirtong Barim ke NCP uba predecessor Rumnong u Joint Secretary Barim ke BJP Mandal Pintor Umkra uba Philby Lingdo ringkat kinong kershan ke Pintor Umkra constituency minta kesengi ke arpunyo terik ukila lingkot arja arpulai kilawan ban Pyniasoh eladia syaka Seng Congress. Kadau ba penlong yakini ban Pyniasoh syaka Seng Congress kalong bakila thaj banyo iya ke jinglong jingmana ke senchar ke khadar balayalam deka sorkar MDA bat kumjuru deka sorkar BJP. Habakran hakani kasngi Working President ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba pinchngan NCM ula ong ba ke jingwan Pyniasoh jong ba rumnong uba lingdo bat kiwei kan long ke jingjob ya ke Seng Congress.
Isong terfokus pun bangiyo kumba PNCM ba pi kambon pi di press pi tibahas pangini ilal ide nongya ibla kan lead sekamane konstitusi ide smart man ila manle bon ki kam ya ke ba ila perlu kita lomba por ba ilong MDC ini di Southern kontrak konstitusi mohar kontrak konstitusi ba ka por ke ba ilong si amru kam ke ba ilale ilong ke bakhaw do kata ti ba por ba kiwi kam ki ba ngila expect makin long kam makin long ndai kam don lo kawi kam kepala ke ba kumamele ula man kalau ka ikai konstitusi bat dak kata ka perlongingan itu arti por oleh bahkan mi sakmat kalau di wat dalam sela pois katong handai kemensiam komisihan manura ke dikelang pelongkra kalau ba kraw hadu kata kam hadu kata.
As the neighbor, I had helped them. Now, under my consideration, they have the office for Dongkadiang. Not Dongkadiang only, Lumsiap, one of the block in Nomasong village, which is not under Maukhar Dongkra, but through the not MDC scheme, department scheme of the State Council, under the consideration of the CEM, we have already consulted. So I think I have a very close relation with the other villages also, which are not under the Maukhar Dongkra. So I have no problem. MLA nung pendong uwaniale MBC saupus ni ujob na mau karpen kontrak. Likewise, nung problem menjob na kontrak. I think you will see that both all communities they will support me, and that will be proved only on the 2nd of March.